Let's do a quick taste test. It's so creamy. It's a 10 on 10. Hello. Welcome to my new vlog of 2025. Hope you all had a lovely start to 2025 and wonderful holiday season. So the weather is a bit cozy here. It's -2 degrees Celsius and I was craving some hot pasta and tuna. So I thought, why not combine them both? Like a delicious creamy tuna pasta. So without wasting further time, let's dive straight into the recipe. Let's start by chopping some veggies. So you will need at least 2 onions. Heat some olive oil, some butter, cloves of garlic. Once brown, add in onions. Crushed pepper, mixed herb and chili flakes, and then goes the main ingredient, tomato passata. Roughly about half a cup. The chopped spinach. Mix. Now the main ingredient to make your pasta turn absolutely delicious is some soft cream cheese. Mix everything in, and if you want you can add some extra. So I've added half a tub, that's roughly around 1/4 cup. Is cooked well. At this point you add the reserved pasta water. So I have reserved some while straining. Add some grated mozzarella. Let's do a quick taste test. It's so creamy. I can taste the tuna. The tomato flavor is not overpowering. It's really delicious and creamy. You have to try this recipe. It's a 10 on 10. I hope you all loved and enjoyed this recipe today. Do try it out and trust me, you are going to love and enjoy it and will prepare it again and again. If you all try any of my recipes and I have tried before, please don't forget to share or tag me on Instagram. I will put my handle link somewhere on the screen. Follow me, share your pictures, tag me, and I will reshare them on my stories and also talk about them or maybe share pictures of them on my YouTube channel as well. So don't forget to follow, don't forget to tag, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you all in my next video with some more interesting series, probably some vlogs. So stay tuned and hit the like button, hit the share button, share my videos with your family and friends. And if you have not put the notification on, do so now so that you don't miss out any videos from Chopping Block. So I'll see you all again. Until then, take care and stay safe.